Welcome back. Most of the time, native speakers don't actually say, "How are you?" Instead, they use many other greetings in everyday conversation because they sound more relaxed and natural. Today, you're going to discover some powerful alternatives that will take your English to the next level. Let's begin. Instead of, "How are you?" people often say, "How's it going?" Listen.
Hey, how's it going?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hey, how's it going?
A very common casual one is, "How have you been?" Listen.
Hi, how have you been?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hi, how have you been?
Friends often say, "What's up?" Listen.
Hey, what's up?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hey, what's up?
Another relaxed one is, "What's going on?" Listen.
Hey, what's going on?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hey, what's going on?
You can also say, "How are things?" Listen.
Hi, how are things?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hi, how are things?
A warm and natural one is, "Good to see you." Listen.
Hey, good to see you.
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hey, good to see you.
Sometimes native speakers skip the question and say, "Hey, you all right?" Listen.
Hey, you all right?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hey, you all right?
In casual English, people also say, "How's everything?" Listen.
Hi, how's everything?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hi, how's everything?
If you haven't seen someone for a while, say, "Been a while." Listen.
Hey, been a while.
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hey, been a while.
Another friendly one is, "How's your day going?" Listen.
Hey, how's your day going?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hey, how's your day going?
At work, people may say, "How's your morning been?" Listen.
Hi, how's your morning been?
Repeat. Repeat together.
Hi, how's your morning been?
Let's quickly review what we've learned. Listen.
Hey, how's it going?
Repeat. Listen.
Hi, how have you been?
Repeat. Listen.
Hey, what's up?
Repeat. Listen.
Hey, what's going on?
Repeat. Listen.
Hi, how are things?
Repeat. Listen.
Hey, good to see you.
Repeat. Listen.
Hey, you all right?
Repeat. Listen.
Hi, how's everything?
Repeat. Listen.
Hey, been a while.
Repeat. Listen.
Hey, how's your day going?
Repeat. Listen.
Hi, how's your morning been?
Repeat. Great job today! If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.